Pull it back, and let it go. Push it forward. Push it. There you go. You're ready to go. Keep it down. Keep it down. You go M70.
Is my chin supposed to touch this?
Yeah, it's fine.
I hit the clay.
Keep it down though. Don't shoot high on the mountain.
Another clay.
No.
All right.
Shoot that box.
What?
In the middle of the dirt. Couple of pops. Pop it. Pop, pop, pop. Pop it.
It's
Pop,
too
pop,
high
pop.
now. It's hot, boy.
You like it?
Much easier to shoot.
Very gay.
But it doesn't matter, but much easier to shoot.